All right, this is Mrs. Van Camp from the library. 3 of 3 Canvas Studio videos, we are going to look at how to create a quiz. So we are in my studio library, and I want you to see the little rocket ship here taking off means that there is already a quiz with this video. If I click on the 3 dots, it will show me just what quizzes are here. So you can add more than one quiz to the video. So I have already created 2 quizzes with this video, and now I'm going to create another quiz so we can do it together. I'm going to add a quiz here, and I'm going to call this one watershed quiz number 3. A description, and maybe I put the directions there again. And then question markers on timeline for students, I can hide them or I can show them, and you'll see what that means as we go along. I would suggest that you hide them so they don't know when the questions are coming and they can't go right to the questions. They have to answer them in order. So let's get started here. So here is the video. You can see it came in from YouTube is the one I'm using. It was a video that I added from YouTube, and I will play the video, and wherever I want the question added is when I will stop it, and then I can use this feature here. It will let me add a multiple choice, true or false, or multiple answer. Those are the only ones that you can add right now, and they're useful because when they are graded, student takes the quiz, it's graded automatically for you, and you'll know. So we're going to push play, and as the video plays, when it gets to where I want to embed a question, and in this case there's all the way up here, it has described what a watershed is. So that's where I want to stop it and make sure that my students were paying attention. I'll start with a multiple choice question for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add a question here that I want them to answer, and then I'm going to add some answer choices for their multiple questions here. So in these boxes here, I can put in the options for their answer. All right, so once we have all of our answers in here, we want to go ahead and mark the answer that it is, and in this case it's all of the above. And then you have some options here, so I can vary the points by choice and go in here and put that these halfway answers are worth 1 point and that the correct answer is worth 5 points. And you can shuffle the choices so students all see these in different order. You can give feedback for the questions. For every student that has selected the correct answer, they might get a yes and a little bit more information. And for every student that selects an incorrect answer, they might get a, you almost got it, and the same information really. And then you can also put in general responses here. And so they will see these only after they've taken the quiz. They won't see these as they're doing the quiz. And when we save that, now it's something that we can edit. It's no longer the plus sign, but I could go back and edit that question there. And I'm gonna, yes, I just want to go away from there without editing it. And then now I know there's a question there. And when I'm ready to add another question somewhere, stop it and go through that same process again. Multiple choice, true or false, you have different options there. So that's what a true or false looks like. And a multiple answer. And so when we're done with this, the way to put this into a lesson is to go into a course. So let's say that this is going to be a library challenge. Okay, so let's go into library challenge, and let's do a new assignment. and I need to embed it. So I'm going to go to what looks like an electrical plug for the plug-in, and it's going to let me select the app I want to use, and this is Canvas Studio. So I'll select the Canvas Studio. And now it has loaded our library from Canvas Studio, and this is the video where we want to get the quiz from. So we are going to go ahead and the standard embed would be the video only, and the video quiz we can select which quiz it is we've created that we want to go into this assignment. You have to embed this. You cannot link to it or it will not come in as a quiz for you. So now the video quiz is embedded, and this is Mrs. Van Can from the library. I hope this was useful.